I really want to show you all is on eBay, okay? And this actually is a men's military army style dog tag cross pendant, and it is beautiful. Look how beautiful it is, you all. It's very beautiful, very masculine, very beautiful. Also, if you're into it as a female, hey, sometimes we get male pieces and we rock on with them and we accessorize them and make them ours. So I'm trying my best to show you how to bid, okay? It took me a while to actually find an item that you could bid on because I saw so many of them that already had the set price and then the shipping included or the shipping rate not on there, okay? Uh, or the shipping rate not listed, I guess it's listed is a better way to say it. Can y'all see this? Okay, right here, the shipping for this item is $2.99, okay? The starting bid is $1.99, and y'all just use these nails. Look, I've already had to chop off 2 of them. I've got one. You see where it's cracked right there? So hey, I told y'all we all in this thing together. We all in it together. This particular item has a 30-day return on it. Some of them do not allow you to return the item, so you know that's a great thing. Not to say that if you don't have that choice or option, it's not a great thing. I'm just saying that, you know, some people like that more so than not having the option too. Okay, this item has 0 bids so far, okay? And you can tell right here. I'm sure y'all can see that. And as I said, the starting bid is $1.99. So when you want to bid, you can go in and start at $1.99. You can go in and start $1.99, and it'll usually tell you right here the starting bid that you can price, or you can do $2, or you can do, hey, I don't know if you should put the dollar sign or not, because usually I'm on my iPad when I do this. This is my youngest daughter's old computer. She wanted a MacBook. So this brand new computer was just gonna go to waste. So over a year ago, I became the luscious owner of it. Okay, which is definitely coming in handy a whole lot more so now, just to keep it from going to waste because I did not want to sell it. It's just practically new, and we all know how teenagers can be. So anyway, off of that subject, to God be the glory. She was able to get what she wanted though. She's a hard, diligent student. Gets blessed with scholarships, so she deserves it. Let me just put that out there also, okay? She deserves it. She does what she's supposed to do with her schoolwork. Blessed child. Still not perfect. None of us are, but she's a blessed child. Okay, y'all. Okay, the condition, new with tags, as you see right here. So it's new and with tags, meaning it's going to come with the purchase tags or some sort of purchase tags, okay? If it was new without tags, because a lot of items that I do sell on other sites, it would say new without tags because it's brand new. You know, I may have bought it new, never worn it, but the tags are no longer on there, okay? The description tags, the labels. Okay, now y'all get me the labels. The time left to bid on this item, y'all can see it's continually going down. It's 12 hours. 26 minutes, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14 seconds. So it'll end today at 10:53 p.m. See right here, it's telling you what time that it's going to end. All right. To place a bid, like I say, you go in right there and then you hit place bid. Now, I'm not going to do it because it's probably going to actually put me into placing the bid. And although it's lovely, I'm not going to buy it today, okay? But y'all can go and find it on eBay. It's really nice. It's really nice, a nice gift. You know, if you know someone that may need it during this time, as inspiration, it'd be a great way to bless someone with it and just let them know, hey, everything is in God's hands. It's going to be okay, okay? However he see fit, it's going to be okay. And a trick, though, that I want to show you all, or I won't say a trick because I don't like using that word, strategy. Strategy is definitely. When I used to be it years ago, because I don't do it a whole lot now, that's why I told you I don't know if you have to put that dollar sign in or not. It might do it without the dollar sign. You can try it and see. Always remember though, once you place a bid in, someone can come above you and say bid 401 or 402 or 403 or 404, and they can actually outbid you that way. So you want to keep an eye on your item, okay? One great strategy that I learned, you all, I actually would place some type of timer on my phone, and I can't remember because, like I say, it's been years ago since I've actually done bids to purchase items on eBay. Usually now I just purchase it because I just don't have that time to wait on bids. I would keep an eye on my item. Y'all see these little seconds? Well, after a while, it's going to get to the point where it just has a second. And you see how it's going down? I would always wait until it gets, I would have my hand on the trigger to like 3, 2, 1, and then I would hit it. Now, I've done it before at I've done it before at 11 seconds. And someone came in that quick and outbidded me. You know, when people have their eyes on it. I've done it before at 9 seconds, and they came in and outbidded me. So I got really intelligent. I said, you know what? But the pieces that I had selected at the time were pieces that I really wanted. Sometimes I would look at them for 2 weeks, depending on how long the bids are up for. Sometimes they would be as much as almost a month. And they were items that I really wanted and I needed in my collection, okay, of things that I was wanting to do. So what I learned as a strategy is to have my hand on that button. And as soon as it hits, really, you need to try to do it at 2 or 1. Some of y'all may not have that quicker reflex. It takes quick reflexes. 3 seconds, you can go ahead and place your bid where won't nobody be able to come in and hit theirs. But I'm telling you, I've had someone come in those last 2 seconds and get me on an item. So I've gotten really speedy. Thank you, Lord, for strategies. And I've won a lot of them when it hit 1. And some of them I would think that I didn't make it in time because I would think that the 0 had hit before then. But that's the only way that I could guarantee that I would get my items before before people will have a chance to come over and outbid me. So that's a great way that you can purchase items, and then you can resell them on some of the sites. Like I say, I have previous videos showing you all of some examples. You may have your own. Hey, right now virtually you can set up a virtual selling hour, selling time, and get your friends or your colleagues or your neighbors or cousins, girlfriends, boyfriends. You can just say, hey, I'm going to do a showcase. I'm going to do a selling hour, selling minutes, 15 minutes. And you all can come view what I have. I'm getting ready to showcase, do it on video. It's all kind of different ways, y'all, right now that you can make income because the majority of the world is at home. And we do continually pray for those and lift those up whom are going through so much more than worrying about this right here, what I'm giving y'all as a tip, a selling tip. So we definitely have compassion with those, okay? At the same time, we have to do what we have to do to continue on ourselves, okay? And that's my reasoning and blessing you all with some of these ideas. These are great ideas, you all. These are great ideas. And somebody, y'all go purchase. Y'all go bid and purchase it. This is really beautiful. Like I say, so many are going through now. You may know someone that needs it right now just to put on their necklace. They may have lost a loved one or may have lost a job or may have lost their home or going through some different things. You can buy it and bless them with it. Okay? All right, you all. Until next time, I've got to get out here and work it out. Y'all have a great one, okay? Be blessed.